Listening comprehension about New York City. New York City is one of the largest and most famous cities in the United States. It is known as the Big Apple. With over 8 million people, it is a busy and exciting place. Many tourists visit New York City each year to see its famous sights and experience its culture. One of the most famous landmarks in New York City is the Statue of Liberty. This statue is a symbol of freedom and hope. It was a gift from France to the United States and was dedicated in 1886. Visitors can take a ferry to Liberty Island to see the statue up close and learn about its history. Times Square is another well-known place in New York City. It is famous for its bright lights, huge billboards, and busy streets. Many people visit Times Square to shop, eat, and enjoy street performances. New York City is also very famous for the Central Park. It is a large park in the middle of the city and offers a peaceful escape from the busy streets. People come to Central Park to walk, run, have picnics, and enjoy nature. The park has beautiful gardens, lakes, and even a zoo. Another sight of New York City is the Empire State Building. It is one of the tallest buildings in New York City. It stands at 1,454 feet tall and has 102 floors. Visitors can go to the observation deck on the 86th floor to see amazing views of the city. The Empire State Building is an iconic part of the New York City skyline. Finally, we have the One World Trade Center, which is one of the tallest buildings in the world. It was built to honor the memory of those lost in the September 11th attacks. The building has an observation deck that offers breathtaking views of New York City. Visitors can also learn about the history of the site at the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. This is it about New York City. If you want to take a test, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. Good luck!